Arab population mainly consists of a young one. These young students make up the largest portion in our community and deserve all the attention in order for them to reach their goals, especially in the areas of education. And while we live in the age of the internet, this part of our community deserves our attention and care, especially with regards to the educational development connected to them, as they are considered the future of our community. Communication and software technology is considered as one of the most important tools that can help in the development of the educational sector. GWA Group has developed many interactive services that aim to help our youth students to reach their goal of academic excellence and success in their life. One of these services is Career Path, provided by GWA Group to all Arab youths. This service is an educational online and mobile app that provides youth with many online educational tools and supporting ideas, and is divided into a number of sub-services. As technology progresses around the world, our youth has become extremely reliant on the internet. The internet can be used as a very effective educational tool, but has sadly been misused by most of the young population.